Right guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be reassembling my back brake caliper. So the problem was last time that the back wheel wasn't spinning properly, and obviously I showed you in the previous video that I took it all apart, cleaned everything up, and now that I've got the brake pads, they arrived the other day, so I can put it all back together now. So nothing's obviously caked up with dirt, and everything should operate as it should when I do put it back together. So this is it so far. I've got the brake pads. These were the old ones, as you can clearly tell. And then, yeah, piston, this for the slide, boot for the slide, pins for the brake pads, bolt for the hose, some washers, bits and bobs. You've got a bracket that obviously the axle goes through, stuff like that. So once this has new brake fluid and everything going through it, it should, fingers crossed, it should work. Right, so I'm gonna put you on my little tripod, put you on the table, put you in a little time lapse, and then yeah, so basically what you want to do is you want to still use brake fluid. I've got mineral oil brake fluid, just normal, I don't know, little tub, nothing special. Obviously you're going to want to use this to grease everything back up. Yeah, let's get on with it. Right, so that's the piston. That is one way to push a piston down without actually damaging the head of it. So that's step 2 done. Now we've got to connect this up to the brake caliper. Yeah, let's get this on the bike. So 3, 2, 1. The only problem I couldn't do, or couldn't get that seal on where it goes into this here. I couldn't get it on, so I've left that for a minute. It's literally humanly impossible. One clean brake caliper. Right guys, that is the back wheel back on. It is now solved the problem, and it is now running freely, as it should. Well, in fact, it runs that way, doesn't it? So that noise is the brake disc, because if I spin it back here, yeah, now that it's running freely, it was the brake pads. And all I've got to do now is bleed the brakes. So I've got to basically hold the foot peg in, undo this bleeder, and then obviously top the reservoir up, which is here. Top that up, and then, but I can't do anything until I get my case back, which I'm waiting for. So, but that's another job out of the way. And yeah, finally the back wheel's on, fresh brake pads. And yeah. Right guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please subscribe and like the video. There will be much more content like this coming onto my channel soon. So, and yeah, that's another job out of the way, but why did I do that? I don't know. Anyway, that is the end of the video. I hope you did enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.